This is truly shocking behavior. Amber's lawyers certainly made some questionable decisions with the evidence and people they brought to the stand, most notably a crazy psychiatrist.
But no, any of Mr. Depp's other portrayals in movies, did that affect your analysis process of speed?
Only I've seen him interact on interviews, and that was it.
Therefore, it is not completely out of the ordinary for them to be engaging in more questionable shenanigans. Watch until the end of the video to learn more, because the public could watch the proceedings from the comfort of their own TVs thanks to cameras in the courtroom. The defamation trial involving Johnny Depp and Amber Heard went viral on several occasions. The case's 965 pages of unsealed records have now been released, exposing the topics that were taboo throughout the trial. From Heard's point of view, Judge Penny Ascara ended up excluding too much from the jury's eyes and ears, after the jury awarded Depp $10.4 million in damages. Her attorney Elaine appeared on Today and complained that the panel did not hear other evidence in the case that was allowed in Depp's UK trial, where he lost his case against the Sun for a story that identified him as a wife beater. We had an enormous amount of evidence that was suppressed in this case that was in the UK case. Bredehoff said, that will certainly be a talking point. Because with the evidence that Amber's lawyers did bring to the table, Johnny ended up making a mockery of them on the stand as seen in this clip.
Yes, I looked at papers. Maybe they're hearsay papers.
Heard's team claimed that Depp's attorneys sought to introduce irrelevant personal matters such as nude photos of Heard and Amber's brief stint as an exotic dancer years before she met Mr. Depp, and Mr. Depp attempting to frivolously and maliciously suggest or imply that Ms. Heard was at one time an escort. They contended that the allegations she was an escort were unfounded, incendiary, irrelevant, and designed to harass and demean Amber Heard. Amber's legal team tried all trial long to play up Johnny's history of drug use. Depp's team acknowledged his history of substance abuse, but there were other parts of his medical history that they sought to exclude. They argued that his medical condition was marginal or no probative value. An example, proof that Depp took Valtrex, Nexium, and Cialis. As Bredehoff said in an interview with Today in June, she was disappointed about all the material that was not allowed to be presented to the jury in the 6-week trial. Depp's strategy was to demonize Amber and suppress the evidence. She said, in the end, Heard was found liable for 3 counts of defamation, putting her on the hook for net damages of $8.3 million. In unrelated news, on Sunday, TMZ reported that a Yucca Valley home belonging to Heard was sold for $1,050,000, with the actor making nearly $500,000 on the sale. It would be a drop in the bucket. Elaine might be speaking up a lot now, but during the trial, a clip went viral on social media in which Bredehoff can be seen saying, I'm trying.
Sustain.
Foundation, hearsay.
What if anything? It's not the cure-all, it's sustain.
Objection, Your Honor, hearsay. Objection, Your Honor, lack of foundation. Objection, Your Honor, foundation calls for speculation.
Do you recall? I'm trying.
As she examined Heard, while Depp star attorney Camille Vasquez continued raising objections to most of Bredehoff's questions. Does this mean that she is throwing punches after the fight is over? She certainly has reason to feel aggrieved, given how much adoration Depp's legal team was given compared to her. That is all for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.